Hey little kids, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with a new video for you. Today I will learn you how to draw a very cute shoe for baby girls. Here I'm drawing the shoes. Let's follow my every steps and try to draw with me. My shoes drawing is complete. Now let's start to color it. You can use any kinds of color as you like. I'm using here red color. Red color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do this red color? Now I'm using light blue color. Light blue color, where are you? Here I am. How do you do? This is light blue color. Here I am using light pink color or baby pink color. Light pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is very cute light pink color. And the final color I am using deep pink color. Deep pink color, where are you? Here I am, how do you do? This is cute deep pink color.
Hickory dock, the dog barked at the clock struck 3. Fiddly-dee, hickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory dock, the bear sat by the clock struck 4. He ran out the door. Hickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory dock, the bee buzzed round the clock struck 5. She went to her hive. Hickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory dock, the hen pecked at the clock struck 6. Oh, fiddle-sticks. Hickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory dock, tick-tock, tick-tock. Hickory
Wow, the baby girl's shoe is looking so cute. You should also try to draw it. And thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, please subscribe my channel for more videos. I will be back with a new video very soon. Till then, bye bye little chaps.